Welcome back to my Roman kitchen. It's been a long time. It's a very chilly day today and I have a fire going, but I'm sorry, I'm not going to cook. This is just a little message for you. Sadly, YouTube are very funny about communication. I'm not allowed to talk to you in any way unless I make a film. So we're making a film because we have news. So the videos have attracted a lot of attention. There's about 3,000 subscribers. You are an elite group. Thank you very much for watching and all your comments. It's lovely to hear comments. Thank you. But it's also attracted a publisher. And this has been quite exciting. They came to me because they were so intrigued by the setup, the experimental archaeology and the authenticity of the recipes. And they offered me a publishing deal. I wanted a different approach. I didn't want to do just rustic Roman food, shades of green and brown. It's not really appealing on the plate, Roman food. The techniques are quite, as I say, quite rustic. I wanted a different approach. And I took inspiration from lots of modern recipes that you actually can find in Apicius. So you find embryonic versions of cassoulet, lasagna, salsa verde, pesto, there's pasta, souffle even. All these dishes exist in embryonic form in Apicius. And so I took the modern techniques that have been developed to make these dishes classic and applied them to the ancient recipe. So I've transformed them in some respects. I've made them appealing, sophisticated in some respects, and looking good on the plate, which was the one thing that was missing from the way we prepare Roman food this way. So it's very exciting. It's a beautiful book. It's illustrated by a lady called Joanna Alvilez, and this is just an example of the front cover. It's beautiful, beautiful images, and there's lots of mini me's. The whole book is full of me cooking in this kitchen. I'm so excited by the images, and there are new recipes, lots of new recipes that I've never cooked before. And what I think we're going to do is, over time, over the next few months, we're going to make some videos of those new dishes, and I'm going to turn the dish round and bring it back to its authenticity here in the kitchen and see what I've learned from turning it into something modern and then turning it back into something archaeological. Can I make it even better? So that's the secret. The book is out. It's been out for 3 days. You can only buy it at the moment at Apartamento's website, and the website address is at the beginning of the video, so please do have a look. I'd be really happy if you bought it, obviously. And we will make more videos, and I will see you very soon, and thank you for watching.